Hey, buddy. Hey. What? Do you have some nighttime meows? So you've had morning meows before, afternoon meows, and now you got nighttime meows. Buddy. Hey. Nighttime meows. Buddy. Where are you going in circles around me? What the heck, buddy? What do you want? What do you want? There's no more canned food left. And I quit my job. Didn't you see the rage quit video? Yeah, I had an interview at Country Fresh Meats earlier today. And the manager said she'd call me back later this week to let me know if I got the job or not. So, hopefully. Other than that, buddy, do you got some night meows, buddy? Meow, meow. Come on, you're meowing all the time. Now you don't want to meow? There's no more canned food left. You got dry food. I know you want the canned food, but there's none left. Buddy? Hey, buddy. Well, that's tonight's video. Night meows. He's meowing for canned food, but there isn't any. Well, he was yipping a little bit. He's cheeping like a little bird. Cheep, cheep. Meow, meow. Well, give a like for the nighttime meows and subscribe. Share the video. Support me and Buddy by supporting the channel. Could really use some support. It'd be great if I could monetize. I know I say that every video. Yep, nighttime meows with Buddy. He wants his canned food, but there's none left. Well, that's okay. You got dry food, Buddy. He's like, I like the canned food better. Well, have a good night, YouTube. Bye. Until tomorrow.